How to import photos from iPhone to Windows/Mac at once or selectively. Below are 3 common methods that help import photos from iPhone to Windows/Mac at once or selectively. 1. Try DR Phone's transfer feature. Option 1, transfer all photos in one go. Launch the DR Phone toolkit in your Windows and go to the transfer module. Connect your iPhone to your Windows PC using an authentic cable and wait while your system detects your phone. Choose the third transfer device photos to PC option. Select a desired location and save your photos. Option 2, transfer iPhone photos to PC selectively. Open DR Phone and visit the transfer. Connect your iPhone. Hit the transfer device photos to PC button. Visit the Photos tab and view and select your saved images. Select a desired location and save your photos. Method 2, transfer iPhone photos wirelessly on Mac or Windows via iCloud. Unlock your iOS device, enable iCloud Photo Library. Launch the iCloud desktop app on your computer. Enable the option for syncing photos. Customize the photo options and make sure the iCloud Photo Library feature is enabled. Method 3, sync iPhone photos to Mac or Windows via iTunes. Run the latest version of iTunes. Connect your iPhone. Click on the device icon and select the iPhone you plugged in. Go to its Photos tab on your left. Enable the option to sync photos in your iPhone.